Heuristic method. Heuristic method is a pure discovery method of learning science independent of teacher. The writing and teaching of H.E. Armstrong, professor of chemistry at the City and Guild Institute, London, have had much influence in promoting science teaching in school. He was a strong advocate of special type laboratory training, heuristic training in heuristic method. The student be put in the place of an independent discoverer. Thus, no help or guidance is provided by the teacher in this method. In the in this method, teacher set a problem for the student and then stand aside while discover the answer. Procedure of this method is as follows. The method required the student to solve a number of problems experimentally. Each student is required to discover everything for himself and is to be told nothing. The students are led to discover facts with the help of experiment apparatus and books. In this method, the children behave like a research scholar. In the stage managed heuristic method, a problem sheet with minimum instruction is given to the student and he is required to perform the experiments concerning the problem in hand. He must follow the instruction and enter in his notebook an account of what he has done and results arrived at. He must also put down his conclusion as to the bearing which the result has on the problem in hand. In this way, he is led to research from observation. Teacher's attitude. One of the most important aspects of problem solving approach to children's development in scientific thinking is the teacher attitude. His approach should be teaching science with a question mark instead of with an exclamation point. The acceptance of and the quest by unique solution for the problem that the class is investing should be a guiding principle in the teacher's approach to his program of science. Teacher must develop sometimes to children and to the meaning of the behavior. Teachers should be ready to accept any suggestion for the solution of problem regardless of how irrelevant it may seem to him, for this is really the true spirit of scientific problem solving. By testing various ideas, it can shown to the children that perhaps his suggestion was not in accord with the information available. It can be shown that this failure gets as much closer to the correct solution by estimating one possibly from many offered by the problem. Merits of heuristic method. The method of teaching science has following merits. It developed the habit of inquiry and investigation among students. It developed habit of self-learning and self-direction. It develops scientific attitude among students by making them truthful and honest, for they learn how to arrive at decision by actual experimentation. It is psychologically sound system of learning as it is based on the maximum learning by doing. It develops in the students a habit of diligence. In this method, most of the work is done in school, and so the teacher has no worry to assign on check home task. It provides scope for individual attention to be paid by the teacher and for closer contact. These contact helps in establishing cordial relation between the teacher and the taught. Limitation of heuristic method as follows. It is long and time consuming method. It is very time consuming method and less information get by the student in the time. So this lecture is near about to over. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and also say hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.